For grades 8 to 10, individual courses are available, payable month by month with no commitment needed. English grammar covers clauses, tenses, articles, and subject-verb agreement. If you commit to 3 months, you can save with our bundled packages. The Starter Bundle offers 24 live sessions over 3 months for grammar or writing. For grade 11, choose individual modules like grammar, writing skills, or literature. Grammar covers reported speech and tenses, writing skills includes letter writing and debate, and literature focuses on the Hornbill module. For grade 12, pick the individual modules you need, writing skills, Flamingo, or Vistas. The full bundle covers all 3 modules with 24 sessions over 2 months, notes, past papers, and mock tests for 13,000 rupees. To book a free demo class or inquire, reach out to Tutor Girija Mylavarapu via phone, WhatsApp, or email. The first session is complimentary, with no commitment needed. Classes are online via Zoom.